ang mga bagong batas ho o regulasyon kaugnay sa pagkansela ng passport. Kasama na po dito yung recent order by the RTC Pasig on the cancellation of Attorney Harry Roque's passport along with other accused. At pangatlo, magbibigay update din po kami sa mga flood control anomalies, specifically the 5 pending cases with the National Prosecution Service where PI was conducted yesterday. So we are joined this morning by none other than the Acting Secretary of Justice, Frederick A. Vida, Undersecretary Nicholas T., Chief State Counsel Dennis Chan, and OIC Senior Deputy State Prosecutor Herbert Abugan. So without further ado, I give the floor to Soj Vida for his statements.
Magandang umaga po. Nandito po tayo para sa dagdag impormasyon at kaalaman. Una po, ang kagawaran po, ang Department of Justice is formally announcing that it is offering a 1 million peso reward for credible, actionable information that will directly lead to the lawful discovery, location, and subsequent arrest by authorized law enforcement agent of Cassandra Leong, who is presently the subject of an ongoing criminal proceedings before the Regional Trial Court of Pasig City. Itong bagay na to, naglagak po ng kaukulang pondo ang Department of Justice para po mapanagot natin at mahirap natin sa korte si Miss Ong. Batid naman po natin sa nakalipas ay may kakayanan sila, di ba? May kakayanan na umikot, malaw, makalabas at pumasok ng Pilipinas na hindi natutukoy ng ating mga kalaman. Ito po ay bahagi para po madala natin siya sa korte para umusad na yung kaso laban kay Miss Ong.
Good morning po, Camille Samonte from TV5. Sir, first question is, bakit po kinailangan na mag-offer ng reward? Are we having difficulty locating Cassandra Ong? And what was the last information that we have kung saan siya huling nakita?
Yes, we confirmed that we're having difficulty, precisely, di ba? The reward is basically crowdsourcing to, mga kapatid, di ba? We need more information. Definitely, with the current information we have, we don't have enough. That's why we're offering the reward. Di ba? And it's an effective tool. As in the past, effective tool po to for crowdsourcing of information.
Sir, what was the info from the Bureau of Immigration po? Kasi parang may lumalabas po na allegedly Cassandra Ong used a different passport and may feedback din po ba from the Department of Foreign Affairs kung nagagamit pa rin ba niya yung Philippine passport niya prior to the cancellation of her passport?
Based on verified information, as of today, there's no record of any departure from the Philippines. But these whereabouts still unknown to the authorities. Yeah, at again, as conveyed, may red notice na si Cassandra. Okay, we've already communicated that, and that has already been issued. Yes, next question.
Sir, can you define what you meant lang po by credible, actionable information with regards to Cassandra Ong?
Credible, actionable. Pag sinabing credible, kapanipaniwala. Di ba? Tapos actionable, di ba? Baka ho nasa Batangas yan. Ang hirap nun. Di ba? Kailangan yung actionable, yung A1, real time. Nabalitaan ho namin noong July, nasa Cavite raw. Paano pa namin actionan yun? Di ba? So, kailangan natin relevant, real time. Di ba? Yun ang tinatawag na credible, actionable. Kapanipaniwala at may detalye. Di ba? Ganun po ang, sa simple pong actually, any information na makakarating doon. Kami naman, yung atin naman pong law enforcement agents ang magtitimbang yan. Kung yan ay credible o actionable. Di ba?
Sir, may sinabi din po yung PAOK na ang last reported location daw po ni Ong ay Japan. titignan po ba ito ng DOJ?
Definitely. All information will be weighed. All information will be factored in. Definitely po. Tinitingnan po lahat yan.
Sir, pero makikipag-coordinate po ba sa Japanese government? Paano nyo po?
That goes without saying. That's why we maintain good diplomatic relations with our neighbors, with the international community. That goes without saying. Remember, the end objective here, the ultimate objective is that they be brought to justice.
Sige po. Ma'am.
Hi, sir. Mads po from Net25. Sir, ang DOJ ba, since naglabas tayo o nag-offer tayo ng 1 million peso reward, naniniwala kayong nasa Pilipinas pa ba si Cassie Ong? Or nakalabas na siya ng Pilipinas?
No sufficient information to create a conclusive belief, no, whether within or outside the Philippines. That's why, again, I reiterate, we need more information.
Sir, for clarification lang, yung passport po ba ni Cassandra ay hawak ng authorities? Kinuha ba to sa kanya? Kasi parang may report na hindi niya hawak yung Philippine passport na. Ang question, paano siya makakapasok sa ibang bansa like Japan kung wala naman siyang Philippine passport? So ang ina-assume, baka gumamit na siya ng iba.
Yes, that's one assumption, di ba? And we can hypothesize on many other reasons, di ba? Baka nag-backdoor, baka nang maraming ibang dahilan. But definitely, pag tinignan niyo po yung batas, yung passport natin, it's owned by the Philippine government. It's never owned by us. So at any time, pag may order na canceled na siya, di ba? Pag kinalat na natin yung impormasyon, hindi mo na magagamit yun. Di ba? So physically hawak niya ba? Pwedeng physically hawak niya. But because of the cancellation order, di ba? Wala nang epekto yun. Hindi niya na yun dapat magamit for purposes of travel.
I mean, sir, prior the cancellation, hawak pa po ba niya yung passport niya or hindi po?
Oh, we cannot say. I cannot say that.
Thank you po.
Thank
Sir.
you.
Apo.
So it would still be subject to that process, no? But it's a matter now for the Department of Foreign Affairs to cancel the passport, no? And also it would be part of the court proceedings. Yung,
So, sir, until there is a final ruling by the lower court, hindi pa po pwedeng i-cancel.
okay, can I have Yusek Nikki to...
The cancellation order is final and executory up to the by the DFA. Yes.
So, sir, even if Roque files a motion for reconsideration, it would not prevent the implementation or the execution
Yes.
of the...
Our understanding of the passport law is that if there's a court order declaring the passport holder as a fugitive, the DFA can take action and implement the order.
Even pending an
Yes.
MR. Okay, sir.
Good morning po, Sec. There are 5 accused po before Pasig RTC. Bakit po si Cassandra Leong lang yung magbibigay kayo ng award? Meron namang ibang mga co-accused. Ano po ba yung kahalagahan ni Cassandra?
Actually, there's not
Thank you po.
5, there's 51. 51 accused in this case, no? Kaya ho kahalagahan, 1, yung historical antecedent po. Alam natin yung kakayanan niya na. At lumalabas po sa pag-aaral, isa po siya talaga dun sa principal, no? Isa siya dun sa may malalim na kaalaman sa kasong nangyari. Di ba? At tulad ng sinabi ko, kaya rin tayo nag-o-offer ng reward, kulang pa ang aming impormasyon. Diba? Para ho siya mas maiharap sa korte.
Isa po, follow-up na rin po. Gaya na nabanggit nyo, parang gusto nyo hindi magkaroon ng confusion. Meron kasing statement din ng PAOK na ando na nga sa Japan. Ano po ba yun? Hindi ba sila humingi sa inyo ng parang nakipag-usap sa inyo ng information kung ano yung maaaring lang i-divulge?
Nag-sharing po kami ng information. At ang iba-iba hong law enforcement agencies, nagko-coordinate po. Nag-share po kami ng information.